My Daily Routines by Paula Soto. Monday to Friday. My daily routine for Monday to Friday is the song. I start the day giving thanks to God. I am go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I leave the bathroom. I put on my clothes and prepare a green smoothie. I wake up my son Almond always with a song or singing. He bathers. He brushes his teeth. He put on cream and his uniform. He coat and take him to the living room to serve his breakfast to eat together. After breakfast and getting ready, we leave and take my son to the school, and I go to my work, which is also a school. I start the daily routines where pray and we call the leaks. We been just at the beginning of class at 9:15 a.m. We have the lunch time after a little play in the park. We go back to class at 15:45. The students have a lunch at 1:15. They left class. They follow my time for lunch and leave at 4:13 to the house. I get home, I rest a little with my son. I wear comfortable clothes, prepare some things to eat for both of us. I put on homework or work if I have. I put on clothes. Uh, I put on clothes for excitement because I like the room. I get home, I take a shower, and I put on a pajama, and I sleep with my son. Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday are for me a day of total reset. But I usually get up at 9 p.m. I make breakfast, is fix the apartment, I batter my son and I batter. We usually have the lunch of the streets or in the mall, and here I make delicious lunch in my house. From time to go to the cinema or go to the pool. Some weekends I like to go the dancing or the fun deeds. Thank you.